Right now, hundreds of teams and thousands of people from across the Midwest and really all over the country are coming here to central Indiana for sporting events. Some of those events are happening in downtown Indianapolis, some down in Columbus, and many of them here in Hamilton County, including at the Pacers Athletic Center, which is one of the sites welcoming 350 teams for a big basketball tournament. Players and teams back on the court is great news for hotels and businesses that rely on these summer sporting events, but are they good for keeping COVID-19 under control?
There's a lot of people coming from all different parts of the U.S., and I'm really concerned.
Jim Ginder is with the Hamilton County Health Department. He is nervous about events like these because he says not everyone who attends these sporting events is strictly following guidelines to prevent COVID-19.
My personal opinion is a lot of people are becoming a little bit more laxed with the recommendations.
In the past 10 days, Hamilton County has seen a significant increase in both COVID-19 cases and ER visits. Now, add in teams and thousands of visitors from Chicago, St. Louis, all across Michigan, Ohio, and Kentucky.
So the more people we have, the higher risk we have of COVID being transmitted as well too.
To prevent that from happening, the health department has worked closely with venues like this one to help develop rules. Players and coaches must undergo temperature checks before every game. Each team is limited in the number of players, coaches, and fans allowed inside, and bleachers are marked for social distancing. It means a field house that is normally packed shoulder to shoulder during one of these tournaments tonight looks pretty empty.
250 people in at a time, basically. So when a team plays, they get done, they got to leave the building immediately. You know, the main thing is we got to keep everybody social distance.
USA Youth Hoops says it's trying to follow state and federal guidelines and trying to give kids a chance to play.
It's tough. You know, we've got people that want to play, and you know, for those who want to play, we're going to let them play. For those who don't, basically we're just letting people do what they feel safe doing.
I was inside just a little bit ago. Not many folks inside are wearing a mask. They are highly encouraged but not required. Now, the health department says if you feel nervous about coming to an event like this, or if you have been exposed to anyone recently who has COVID-19, the health department says please stay home.